Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your money in 2025. Today's video is all about how to send money from PayPal to EasyPaysa, a super handy process if you're dealing with international payments and need to get funds into your EasyPaysa account quickly. Whether you're a freelancer in Pakistan receiving dollars or just sending money to family, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified. Log into your PayPal dashboard, go to the settings section, and confirm your identity if you haven't already. This step is crucial to avoid any delays or restrictions. Once that's sorted, the key is to use a reliable intermediary or exchange service, as PayPal doesn't directly link with EasyPaysa yet in 2025. I recommend platforms like Wise or WorldRemit, which allow seamless transfers. Head over to one of these services, create an account if needed, and link your PayPal as the funding source. Next, select EasyPaysa as your recipient's bank or wallet option. You'll need the recipient's EasyPaysa mobile number and any required details like their full name. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check for accuracy, and review any conversion fees or exchange rates. Remember, these can vary, so aim for services with low costs. Hit the confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email from both PayPal and the intermediary service. Processing times are usually 1 to 3 business days, so keep an eye on your EasyPaysa app for the funds to arrive. One pro tip: always use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication to protect your transactions. There you have it. That's how you get your money moving from PayPal to EasyPaysa in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and see you in the next video.